Hey guys, I'm Curly91 and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. Today we're going to talk about two different ways of stretching your hair using heat. One, we'll be using the 2-in-1 blow dryer by Revlon, which is raved about and which I love so much. I use it a lot. And we're going to talk about using the tension method with a normal blow dryer. And we're going to see which one is better at actually stretching your hair the best. And I'll give you the pros and cons of this after this video. So if that's what you came to see, then stay tuned. Let's talk about the pros and cons of each of these blow dryers or these methods. Let's look at the 5-in-1 Revlon styler first. So a pro of this is it's very convenient. Like that is the biggest pro about this is it's very convenient. You have the brush and you have a blow dryer at the same time, so you don't have to worry about like combing through your tangles while trying to hold the blow dryer through your hair. So that's really convenient. And another pro is it did take less time, about 2 minutes less to get through and dry and stretch my hair with this than with the normal blow dryer with the tension method. So those are the two pros of this. The only con of this was it did not straighten my hair as well as the tension method, which I was really shocked about because I love this. Like, I love this. Like, I stand by this. And I was really shocked to see that the tension method was a lot better at straightening or stretching my hair than this was. So that was the only con when compared to the tension method. Now, okay, so let's talk about the tension method. Now, the pros, as we can see, of the tension method was that it straightened my hair a lot better than the 2-in-1 blow dryer. I didn't have to use a comb because all I did was just stretch my hair out and then place the heat on there. So that was the biggest pro about this. It did, the con is it took a little more time. And to be honest, it was a difference of 2 minutes. So whether you think that's a big difference or not, I don't think that's a drastic difference. And another con is the fact that it's not as convenient as the 2-in-1 dryer. So you actually have to untangle your hair before trying the tension method. So that's an added step that you don't have with the 2-in-1 dryer, if you know what I'm saying. So that's what really constitutes for the extra 2 minutes or the extra time that you will spend doing this. But it's not a bad exchange for having your hair straighter, especially if you plan on flat ironing after, then it makes the flat ironing process a lot easier, and most likely you can do one pass instead of 2 or 3 passes. And so the tension method, I think I'm going to be using that a lot more often than I use my 2-in-1 dryer, because hey, it's worth it. I think it's worth it. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. I hope that it helped you out in some sort of way, and I would love if you would like this video and comment down below. I'd love to have a conversation with you. We can talk about this even more, and I'll see you in the next one.